Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our next flip lesson is 4-1, meanings of division. You need to turn to the next page in your math notebook and label the top 4-1, meanings of division. Remember that you can pause this video at any time. If I'm moving too fast, pause it, back it up, whatever you need to do. After you've labeled the next blank page in your math notebook, I want to talk to you about multiplication. Multiplication, we have learned, means repeated addition. What we mean by that when we say multiplication is repeated addition, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is the same as saying, you know what, I have 4 3s. So 4 shows, 4 times 3. So I have 4 number 3s. It's the same thing, it's repeated addition. So as multiplication is the same thing as repeated addition, then division is going to be repeated subtraction. Division is going to be repeated subtraction. For example, 4 times 3 is 12, right? Well, let's say I have the number 12 and I want to divide it into 4 equal parts. I could subtract that by saying, you know what? Let me change my color here. I could say that 12, if I went into 4 equal parts, let's say I just subtract the number 4. And now I have 12 minus 4, and that is 8. Let's say I subtract 4 more. 8 minus 4 is 4. And then I want to subtract 4 more, and I have nothing left. Since I have nothing left there, I count how many 4s did I get out of there. I only count the ones I subtracted. So there's 1 subtracted 4, 2 subtracted 4, 3 subtracted 4s. 3 subtracted 4s is my answer. Okay, so division is the repeated subtraction. That is what you are going to learn today during this lesson. All right, let's go to our first example here. We have Sophia. Sophia has 8 sticker sheets. She wants to give 2 sheets to each of her friends. How can you find the number of friends Sophia can share her stickers with? Ladies and gentlemen, you know how to do this. The first thing that we need to do, let's draw a picture. We have 8 sticker sheets. So let me draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 sticker sheets. The idea is that they would all be exactly the same, but Mrs. Johnston's picture didn't show up the same. So say we have 8 sticker sheets, and she wants to give 2 sheets to each friend. How many friends can she give them to? Well, there's 8 sticker sheets. All I drew is just some sort of picture to represent that. And I'm going to give these 2 to friend number 1. I'm going to give these 2 to friend number 2. These 2 to friend number 3. And these 2 to friend number 4. It's that easy. How many friends can she have? Here's 1 friend, 2 friends, 3 friends. She can have 4 friends she can share that with. I can do it a different way. I could say I have 8 sticker friends and I'm going to give this friend 2 stickers. So this is friend 1. I have 6 left. Out of these 6, I'm going to give this friend 2 sticker sheets. That's friend 2. I have 4 left. I'm going to subtract this. I have 2 more sheets that I give to friend number 3, and that still gives me 2 more. Oops, sorry. Let me erase that. I don't want the minus sign yet. So I have 4 minus 2. After friend 3, I have 2 left, and now I can give those last 2 to my last friend. So I have 4 friends I can give that to. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to try this. Work with me here. Read this problem. We have a museum wants to display a collection of 24 gems on 4 shelves, placing the same number of gems on each shelf. How many gems will be on each shelf? I want you to pause the video and read that to yourself several times. Think about the important numbers, the important words. What question are we asking? Now I want you to draw a picture. Okay, we have 24 gems and they have to go on 4 shelves. So what Mrs. Johnston is going to do is I'm going to draw 4 lines. There's shelf 1, shelf 2, shelf 3, and shelf 4. Okay, we want the same number on each shelf. Well, we know we have to get to 24. So to get to 24, there's a gem. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm splitting them evenly amongst the shelves so I can make sure that they all have the same number. Okay, so that I'm up to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I put my gems on 4 different shelves. The black lines are my shelves. The red lines are each representing a gem. So let's count these now. Shelf number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 here. Are there 6 on this shelf? Yes. What about my last 2 shelves? There are 6 each on those. 6, 6, 6, and 6. There are 6 on every single shelf. So there is my picture model. 4 shelves, each holding 6 is 24. So it's the opposite of multiplication. So there's my picture. If I were to do a model like we did last week, here is my total of 24 gems. And I'm splitting those into 4 shelves. So remember our picture model, our rectangular model we did last week? There's my total. And here are my 4 shelves. So now I just need to figure out how many go in each shelf. I could do the same thing as I did over here. Okay, I can count to 24, and after I'm done, I find out 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 24. Or I could work backwards, repeated subtraction, 24 minus 6, minus 6, minus 6, minus 6, okay? All right, I want you to write, this is the number sentence, 24 divided by 4. Our answer was 6, because we had a total of 24. That's called your dividend. We divided it amongst 4 shelves, that's your divisor, and we came up with the quotient, or the answer. You need to pause the video and copy this down. You need to know the words dividend, divisor, and quotient. Ladies and gentlemen, the last example I would like for you to do on your own. I want you to draw a picture to solve this problem. Jenna is making apple pies. She has 33 apples. She's putting 11 in each pie. How many pies will Jenna make? I would like for you, it says to draw a picture. I would like for you to draw a picture and a division sentence. So draw a picture and a division number sentence. When you are done and you think that you understand this and you are ready to go, then you need to bring that notebook to Mrs. Johnston and pick up your independent assignment. If you have any questions, go back and review the video and let me know if you have any questions.